Hello friends, this is Kishore Mule from RCERT Chandrapur. I welcome you all to my YouTube channel. Do you wish to learn numericals on rope haulages? I have brought before you one interesting numerical on direct rope haulage. So dear friends, let's get started. So the numerical reads as a train of mine cars of total 50 tons is attached to direct rope haulage and is travelling down a gradient of 1 in 10 average. The length of the haulage plane being 1000 meters. The coefficient of friction of mine cars is 1 by 50 and that of the rope is 1 by 20. The rope weighs 2.73 kg per meter length. The radius of drum is 1 meters and that of the brake path is 666 millimeters. Width of the brake path is 150 millimeters. We need to calculate the braking force required to stop the direct rope haulage. So it is a lengthy numerical. So let us summarize the given data. So here we are. So the mass of the mine cars is given to us as 50 tons. We convert that into kgs. We get a numerical value of 50,000 kgs. Then the average gradient given to us is 1 in 10. Haulage length is 1000 meters. The coefficient of friction of mine cars is 1 by 50. The coefficient of friction of rope 1 by 20. Mass of the rope is given to us as 2.73 kg per meter length. Drum radius 1 meters. Radius of brake path is 666 millimeters and we are required to calculate the braking strength. So let's get started with the solution now. So we are required to calculate the total force here. So the calculations for total force includes number 1, force in the rope due to descending train. That will be given by force, as we all know, is given by mass into acceleration. So the mass of the descending train or the mass of the descending mine cars is given to us as 50 tons. So we convert that into kgs. 50 into 1000 multiplied by acceleration due to gravity multiplied by the gradient factor of 1 in 10. So we get a numerical value of 49050 newtons. So we come to the component number 2, force in the rope due to its own weight. So that will be given by 2.73, which happens to be the mass of the rope in kg per meter length. So we multiply this with the length of the haulage. The length of the haulage is given to us as 1000 meters. So 2.73 multiplied by 1000 gives us the total mass of the rope multiplied by 9.81 into gradient factor of 1 in 10. So this gives us a numerical value of 2680 newtons. We come to the third component, that is braking force due to friction of mine cars. So that will be given by 50 into 1000, that is the total mass of the mine cars, multiplied by 9.81 multiplied by the frictional factor, that is 1 by 50. This gives us a numerical value of 9810 newtons. Now we come to the component number 4, braking force due to rope friction. So that will be given by mass of the rope, which is given by 2.73 multiplied by length of the haulage, that is 1000, multiplied by acceleration due to gravity, multiplied by the rope friction factor, which is given to us as 1 by 20. So this gives us a numerical value of 1340 newtons. Now we come to the calculation of total force. So the calculation for total force will be given by 1 plus 2 minus into bracket 3 plus 4. Please note here that the numerical is on descending set of mine cars. So here the frictional force will be aiding, and thus the net force at the drum shaft will be required less. Yes. So let us calculate it numerically. So that will give you a numerical value of 40580 newtons. So the pull on the rope is 40580 newtons, and it is given to us in the numerical that drum radius is 1 meters. So now we can calculate the torque. Torque, as we all know, is given by force multiplied by perpendicular distance. So 40580 multiplied by 1, so that is going to give me a numerical value of 40580 Newton meters. Now we come to an interesting concept. Torque due to force in rope is equal to torque due to braking force. If we represent braking force by BF, then 40580 will be equal to braking force multiplied by 0.66. It is given to me in the numerical that radius of brake lining is 666 millimeters. So we calculate the braking force, we get a numerical value of 61485 newtons. So dear friends, we arrive at the final answer. The final answer reads as: the braking force required to stop the moving train of mine cars is 61485 newtons. Hope, dear friends, you found this video useful. If so, do press the like button. If you wish to see more such videos, do subscribe to my channel and do not forget to press the bell icon. Thank you.